Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving you a tour to a one bed one bath apartment here in the US. So when you walk into the apartment, this is how you find it. So this is a one bed one bath. Here is the living room. It has a foxwood blinds. So this is the living room. It has a new carpet. The carpet is already, put in. It's clean. It's new. So as you can see, the living room is very clean. Everything looks amazing. The paintings are, everything is amazing. Um, as you can see, everything is new. I love the furnitures. Everything, is so perfect. Yeah. So this is the kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen has a vinyl floor. They have stainless steel oven, microwave, a dishwasher, and also a refrigerator. It has a pantry. It has extra storage cabinets for you, and also it has a style that looks like an island kitchen. Yeah, similar to an island kitchen. And also when you're cooking, you can see you have a view that you can see your visitors to the living room, and also you can see the view outside. And it has a style that looks like an island kitchen, similar to an island kitchen. And also it's an eating kitchen, which means that you can cook and also, you know eat in the kitchen. So yeah, so this is what I mean. And so this is the AC that warms the house during winter and cools the house during summer. Yeah, so this is the AC. It warms the house. Yeah, this is the water heater for the house, and this is the linen closet. Yeah, this is the linen closet. Uh, so to the left is the linen closet, and this is the wash and dryer. So the bottom one is the washer, and the top one is the dryer. It's a two-in-one wash and dryer. And as you can see, it's a big house for a one bed one bath. So this is the bathroom. As you can see, it's very huge. It has a mirror which is very big, also a very vintage, like, yeah, kind of. Also it has a vinyl floor in the bathroom, and has extra storage cabinets for your storage, for your bath detergents, and also it's very huge. You can put magazines in the bathroom. You can have like video games. You can put a TV if you want to. You can have 3 to 4 people in the bathroom. It's a room of its own. You can take a shower. You can make like a bath. If you want to take a bath, if you want to have a bath, or because you have a very huge bathtub, as you can see. So it's a very huge bathroom for one person, as you can see. Yeah, so everything looks very, very well. So, and then this community is pet friendly. So guys, if you're looking for a place to move into, so this is the place for you. And as you can see, this place is a very, very nice place. And then the finishing, the ceiling board has a popcorn ceiling board, yeah, which is really very, very nice, as you can see. Yeah, so I like the fact that the finishing on the top, it's a popcorn ceiling. Yeah, which is really, really nice. So guys, yeah, so if you like what you're seeing, I hope that you're taking the notes. So look at that, guys. So this is the bedroom. The bedroom is very huge. It's very large. Also, it has a foxwood blinds. You can get the the lightning from outside. And also it's a very huge, this is the linen closet, no, the linen closet for you. And inside the linen closet also you have a furnace filter where you can change your air filter depending on how frequently you use your air conditioning. It's always advisable to change your filters. Yeah, so as you can see, the bedroom, it's very, very pretty, very amazing, very well organized. So you can also add more things if you want to, like a dresser for you and extra stuff if you want. So you kind of have a whole room for you. So yeah, and also it has a carpet. So you don't have to buy another carpet for you, but you can just do that only if you want to. So the good thing with the apartments here is that when you lease an apartment, you also get access to amenities, which includes a gym, spa, a pool, clubhouse, fitness center, clubhouse, grill, and also a playground for the kids. So let's say, for example, if you don't want to go to pay for a gym outside, out there, you can still use the whatever they have in the apartment complex. But if you don't like the equipment that they have, you can still go out there and pay for, register for your own gym. But yeah, for this place, yeah, they have a gym, but like it's common. Most apartments here, they have amenities. They have gym and a pool and, stationary bikes where you can get a bike and ride. And then, yeah, so they're very, very unique and they're very, very, very nice. And also, so guys, this is the pool. So this is an indoor outdoor pool for this particular apartment complex here. As you can see, yeah, it's very, very pretty, very amazing, very nice. Yeah, so yeah, and during the summer it's actually open 24 hours. And also you have like a laundry facility on the side also, which is open 24 hours. So if you don't want to use the washer and dryer in the unit, you can use the laundry facility. All you have to do is just go with the coins and, use the coins to do your laundry. So, and then the good thing about this place, like I said, it's that it's pet friendly. You can just bring in your pets and, yeah. And they have lease options from 3 months to 13 months. And actually, like I said, the pricing for a 1 bed 1 bath here varies depending on how many square feet you're looking for. So like this apartment here, it's 640 square feet. So, and then the range for a 1 bed 1 bath ranges from 700 to 1,030 to it ranges from $700 to 1,000, depending on how many square feet you're looking for. And also that is just the rent. So also when you have to pay your own utilities include the water, sewage, and also so you have to pay your own water, your own sewage, and your own energy, which is your own electricity. So those are your utilities. So when you add up to that, it goes up to let me say 1,200, something like that. Yeah. So guys, that is how much the rent costs for this particular apartment, but you can still get a cheaper price. But like I said, it depends on what you're looking for in an apartment. for the apartments that do not have a wash and dryer, they're actually cheaper. You can get an apartment, a 1 bed 1 bath, which is $600 or $500, but it's it's not easier to get. It's not meant, which is a 1 bed 1 bath for $500 here. Rarely, very rarely to get an apartment for $500, a 1 bed 1 bath. A studio, yeah, but for a 1 bed 1 bath, yeah, but it also depends on which state you are, yeah, and also the cost of living, yeah, so it varies. But like I said, the price that I shared, it's only for this particular apartment complex, but you can also get a cheaper price in different apartment complex. So this is only the price for this particular place. So guys, if you're looking for an apartment, kindly go to my inbox or to the comments below and let me know so that I can get a discount, you know, yeah, for the referral and all that. And if you like this video and you like the design and all that, kindly let me know. And thank you so much for your support. So guys, and also keep subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, so yeah, that's how much a 1 bed 1 bath costs here. But like I said, it varies depending on what you're looking for and how many square feet. If an apartment, like as you have seen, the quality is apartments, everything looks good. They have stainless stuff. If your apartment does not have stainless equipment, it's actually cheaper. So the same apartment complex, they have equipment that are not stainless, and for that particular apartment, it's going to be cheaper compared to this one. So yeah, so guys, kindly go ahead and like, comment, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.